Relationships are very crucial, but sometimes we really wonder the person we are interacting with, the person we are dating, and we are about to get married. Are they genuine to us? Is this relationship genuine? Or people are just pretending? Now, today, I want to discuss on ways to know you are forcing a dead relationship. Ways to know you are forcing a dead relationship. You are in a relationship. How can you know you are just wiping a dead horse? One of the relationship, one of the ways to know is that you find that one or both of you, you have some of your friends, someone outside the relationship, they know more about your relationship more than even the way you can talk about. What am I saying? One or both of you, you find that you are spending more time talking to someone else outside the relationship rather than your friend. So that is one way. When you find that you are spending more time talking to outsiders rather than somebody whom you are saying is a friend, then there is a problem. You are actually, it's a signal that you are forcing a dead relationship. Your relationship is sending to ICU. Then second, when you are spending the time with your friend, it seems as if you are really doing heavy chores. You feel as if you are really working, digging in a shamba, and you are very tired. You feel that you don't want to be that person. You feel that you don't want to be that person, and you feel it's better when you are not with that person. Then you find that others are asking, is everything okay? When you find outsiders asking you, is everything okay? Know that the relationship is dead. You are forcing a dead relationship. Then you also find your partner does not remember even special needs. They are rarely remembered. Birthdays, other anniversaries, you find that even a wedding, some partners may not even remember even their wedding anniversary, their birthday dates. When you find your partner cannot remember this, then this is a dead relationship. Then you also find that you are imagining how your relationship would be if you are with another friend rather than the person you have. I wish so and so was my friend. I wish Mr. So and so. I wish Miss so and so was my friend. Then it's a dead relationship. Then you find that you no longer share common interests. There are certain interests, they are part and parcel of life. Then you find that your interests are as east is far from west. You don't share even a single interest. Then that is a sign that your relationship is getting to a wrong thing. Then you also find that when you are talking, when you are with that person, when you are interacting, just a small thing can make the person flare up and become annoyed. Then it is a signal that all is not well. Then you also find that your partner is not valuing you. They don't think you mean a lot to them. They find that they take you for granted. Then that is a sign that this is a dead relationship when you find that you are not valued. Then you also find that you are not even inspired to start you are not inspired to try a new thing together. You find that there are certain things which you like to take adventure, but then you find that your friend is not interested. And when you make a suggestion, they tell you, no, I am not bothered. I am not interested. Go on your own. Then that is a sign that the relationship, you are forcing a dead relationship. You are in a relationship which is already in ICU. So, my friends, I hope with these things, with the points I've discussed, I hope you'll understand. You'll be able to interrogate your relationship and check if at all your relationship is heading to ICU or is already in ICU. Thank you very much. Ace Mutia Rukwaro, your family therapist and relationship coach. Thank you very much.